been dead for a while, but also feels another one, so hopefully that one's still living.
That's a little more normal.
Huh?
That's a much more normal.
It's alive! It's alive! Good job, baby.
That's crazy. I don't think I've ever seen that before.
So I'm not sure how much of that was explained or how much you caught, but so this mama was pushing for a while and nothing was coming out. So we thought maybe it's coming backwards. Got her in. Oh dear. Got her in, and the calf's feet were very yellow, and we could tell it was dead. Pulled it, and yeah, it was dead and had been dead for a couple of days, it appeared to be. Elsie just happened to reach back in her, and here she had another baby. And we assumed it was dead too, and here Dad pulled it out, and it's alive. Truly a miracle baby. Yeah, Dad says he's never seen that before. Typically they would both be dead, but this baby was in a completely different sack, and so it was safe from the deceased baby. Be nice now, Mama. She loves her baby. Good job, Mama. My truck almost tipped over. Kevin's gonna go get his loader and hold it up so I can finish dumping. This is so scary. We got it. There's another baby born. So this mama had this preemie calf right here. It's still alive, but it's just gasping. It's really, really preemie. So Dad is gonna see if she had any more in there. Is there any more in there? So it looks like she has a lot of milk. So we're gonna have to graft a baby onto her because we have lots of bottle babies. So we're gonna try and graft this baby on the mom that had a preemie. This baby actually was on a mom, went out to pasture and everything, and the mom's udders just dried up and didn't have enough milk for it. So we brought it back home. It's been a bottle baby, and now it's gonna go back on her mom. Hopefully she likes it. Okay, so every year around May 1st, we preg all the rest of the cows that haven't calved yet. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to, Dr. Lord's here, we're gonna preg all these cows and take the ones that will calve later this summer out to pasture, and they'll calve out on green grass. The ones that are close we'll leave here, calve them out, and then take them to pasture. done pregnant, and so now we're going to haul them to the pasture. These that are summer calvers.